What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the transcript from a YouTube video. First, head over to youtube.com. Next, find the video you want the transcript for. Once you're on the video page, scroll down a bit until you see the description box. In the description box, click on More at the bottom left to expand it and click on Show Transcript. A transcript box will appear next to the video, showing everything that's said in the video. If you want to jump to a strategic part of the video, just click on a timestamp in the transcript and it will take you directly to that part. You can also toggle the timestamps off if you prefer. To do that, click on the three dots at the top right of the transcript box and select Toggle Timestamps to remove them. If you're looking for a specific word or phrase in a video, use the shortcut Ctrl and F on Windows. This will open a search bar where you can type in a keyword. This will highlight every instance of that word in a transcript, and you can click on each result to jump to that section of the video. You can also copy the transcript from YouTube. To do that, simply select where you want to start copying. Hold your left mouse button down, drag to select the text, then right-click and choose Copy. Once copied, you can paste the transcript into a text editor like Notepad to save or format it however you like. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.